Assess the ml size of the tibia to ensure the appropriate selection of implant size in the conventional I-balance HTO manner. Make a standard skin incision and approach the conventional high tibial osteotomy as described in the I-balance HTO surgical technique guide. Care should be taken to elevate the patellar tendon and to completely release the tibial attachment of the superficial MCL. The posterior elevator can be used to strip soft tissue attachments from the posterior medial aspect of the tibia. Two guide wires can be positioned in the conventional method. Care should be taken to match native slope of the tibia and to not drive the guide wires all the way to the proposed hinge position. A hinged cutting guide can assist with linking the hinge location to the predefined guide wires. Slide the cutting guide over the guide pins and position the hinge guide appropriately. The hinge is first prepared with a 5 mm reamer, then replaced with the hinge pin, creating a terminal stop for the osteotomy. The osteotomy can be made through the cutting guide or removed, retaining only the hinge pin and guide wires. Optionally, if preferred, the location of the hinge pin can be determined first. The I-balance extramedullary alignment guide, in conjunction with the radiolucent hinge pin guide, can be used to estimate approximate implant position medially. Appropriate slope and varus valgus and internal-external rotation can be adjusted with the EM guide. A single guide wire is driven into the predetermined size hole. The guide wire is then over-reamed with a 5 mm reamer, and the hinge pin is inserted fully. In this variation of the technique, the hinged cutting guide is used. Position the guide wires based on the hinge pin location. Posterior retraction should always be utilized, and the osteotomy can be made in the conventional technique with a combination of sagittal saw and osteotomes. Align the size-appropriate free-cut guide with the posterior medial corner of the tibia. Drill the 2 keyholes required for the I-balance HTO implant. The I-balance HTO opening jack is then used to open the osteotomy to the desired correction. It's recommended to open the osteotomy 1 to 2 degrees larger than the implant selected to ease insertion. The implant is inserted and opening jack can be removed. 4 PEEK anchors are inserted. Utilizing conventional technique pre-drilling, establishing anchor depth, the first 2 proximal cancellous anchors can be inserted. That is followed by 2 cortical anchors inserted in a similar fashion. It is recommended the anchors be pre-taped bicortically to ensure ease of insertion. Confirm appropriate correction radiographically and insert desired bone void filler.